Okay, 3 through 7 are percentage problems. A percent, which you are used to doing the percents, like 50%, 75%, you intuitively kind of know what those are. However, what a percent really is a portion of a whole, of an entirety. So when it says, how we find them is we create a fraction. It is the part divided by the whole. For example, if I want 50%, well, out of 100, if I have 50, 50 is my part, out of a total of 100 units, then you get 50 divided by 100 equals, you can put that in your calculator, you get 0.5, which when we move the decimal point over twice, remember, you get 50%. Okay, so it is literally part divided by the whole equals the percentage, but it's as a decimal. So for example, number 3, what is 20% of 50? So in this case, 50 is my whole. So I want the part divided by 50 equals 20%, but remember, move it as a decimal. So 0.2. All right, so solve for x, solve for p in this case. So multiply by 50, multiply by 50. All right, and you'll find out that 0.2 times 50 equals 10. So the part equals 10. So one way to think about this is 10 is 20% of 50. And you could go back and do this. You can go back and think of this the other way around. If you divided 10 divided by 50, you would equal 0.2, which again is 20%. That is how every last one of these questions work. You get one or two things. You get two things, and you solve for the third. Okay. Number 4, 12 is what percentage of 63? 12 is what percentage of 63? So 12 is my part, 63 is my whole. We're solving for the percent. So 12 divided by 63. Shove that in your calculator, and you get like 0.19047. 0.19 is enough. All right, but that's not how you write a percentage. Remember, you take the decimal point, you move it twice to the back. So 12 divided by 63 is 19%. Okay. 34, number 5, 34 is 85% of what? 34 is 85%. So 34 is my part. So 34 is the part divided by what whole equals 85%. Move the decimal twice, you get 0.85. This one's a little different, but basically all you got to do is switch those two. So 34 divided by 0.85 equals your whole. So in this case, 34 divided by 0.85 equals 40. So in this case, 40 would be your whole. 34 is 85% of 40. And if you want to go back and work it again, do 34 divided by 40, you will get 0.85. If you haven't paused and tried these on your own yet, try number 6, all right, and then come back. Otherwise, here we go. What is 75% of 23? So they want to know what is 75%. So they want to find the part. 23 would be your whole. 75%, remember, move the decimal point twice. Once, twice. So 0.75. All right. Multiply by the 23. And you get the part is 17.25. All right. So that's how you find the percentage of something. You take the whole and you multiply it by the percentage to get the part. But you can always think of it as this little formula. So if I move the whole over to the right, whole times percentage will give me my part. Number 7 uses the percentages a little bit. Joe made $1,245 last month before the following deductions. So this is going to be your whole. Okay? What is his final pay? Well, if it's part divided by the whole equals the percentage as a decimal. Well, if I just want to move that over there, I can make it the part equals the percentage times the whole. So I just take my whole, multiply it by the percentage, and I see how much that is. So here we go. Number 1, the Social Security. I'll start off by moving the decimal point over twice, so it's 0.052. So 0.052 times 1245 equals 0.052 times 1245 equals 6474. All right, same thing for this one. The Medicare tax. Again, move your decimal point twice to the left, twice, so 0.0135. Again, he made $1,245. So 1245 times 0.0135. And you get 1680.75, which we'll just round 16.81. Because we're dealing with money, you want 2 decimal points. Federal income tax, I said 17%. So move the decimal point twice, twice. So 0.17. So the percentage times the whole, 7.17 times 1245, 0.17 times 1245 equals $211.65. $211.65. Now he's got 2 more things going on. He opted for medical insurance. Now, medical insurance isn't a percentage; it's just a flat rate. So he's just straight up going to pay $113 for medical insurance. Same thing for his savings account. That's not a percentage; that's just a flat rate. So $225 goes into his savings account. So they want to know, what is his final pay? So if I add every last one of those up, let's see what we get. So here, 64.74 plus 16.81 plus 221.65 plus 113 plus 225 equals $641.02. $641.02. That is how much he is paying. So last but not least, he's making $1,245. We're taking away $641.02. So 1245 minus 641.02 equals $603.98. $603.98. That is how much money he's going to get on his paycheck after all of these deductions. Which, that's lower than it should be, partially because of the savings. I don't know how many of you guys are actually putting $225 in savings. Medical insurance typically isn't $113, but hey, that's what the problem said. We'll go with it. But that's how you would find it.